Hey guys, it's me, Coach Rosa. I love when you see me and you tell me that you're watching my videos, so thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to talk about the food plan for the week, and a lot of you said you really like those, you get ideas, so even though it's not that creative, I thought I'd share with you what I'm doing this week. Oh, this, by the way, is what I use to wipe my veggies with. It's made by Norvex. You know, there's a lot of you out there. It's great stuff. I wipe my veggies down with it so that I get all the crud off of it and get them nice and clean. I wash them too, but so I have a habit of hanging on to it. So let's start off with breakfast. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I've told you a lot about the cauliflower rice. This is what cauliflower rice looks like when you buy it prepackaged. So it's much cheaper to buy it this way than when the store sells it individually. It's way more expensive. I want to say this might have been $2.99, $2.49, something like that. It wasn't too bad. And I have done it myself, a lot of work, but that's okay. So I'm going to put a whole container of this in my crock pot tonight with half a cup of oatmeal. I'm not going to put a lot of oatmeal in because I usually watch my carbs. I'm one of those people that don't do carbs very well. So half a cup of that will be all I add. I'm going to chop up an apple or two, make it nice and sweet, and I'm going to add my almond milk, and then this is going to be on low for probably 6 hours. And what I love about it is it expands, and you end up with a nice size amount of like an oatmeal kind of texture, but it has mostly cauliflower, some of the chopped apples, and I even thought I'd stick in some of these chopped walnuts. I got these at Aldi's, so I love Aldi's. The prices are great there. And of course some stevia, some cinnamon. That's gonna be my breakfast every day. That'll last me. I may have to make it again during the week, but that'll be breakfast. Lunch is going to be salad. So I got this bulk size romaine. There's a lot of it in here. It's already washed, cut, and everything. I've already started cutting some up and putting them in containers. So that's going to be the foundation of my lunch. And then I'm going to add some black olives, some mushrooms. I love all this. I'm getting excited just thinking about it. It's so good. It's going to be delicious. And then I'll have some beets. And let me give a shout out to a local company, and these aren't from them, but I do really love a company called Love Beets. They are located here in Rochester, New York, and they make marinated beets. They're fantastic. They're all natural. I forgot to pick those up, so I'm resorting to what's in the cupboard. But just Love Beets. I'm sorry, Love Beets is the company. They're fantastic, and their products are delicious. And then I have some green beans that I'll add to my salad. So those are some things I'll throw in. I also picked up some tilapia. And so this is in the freezer. I'll grill these. We'll put Jerry out there and start grilling. It's beautiful. It's what, 70 degrees out, sweetie? So he'll be grilling today. We'll put him to work. Some other things will be done. That's my lunch. I'll be my salad with all the components to that. And I'll probably, whatever else I find, I'll throw in because I'm one of those people that have a very difficult time following a recipe, and everything just looks good when it's together. So those are some of the things I'll probably put in. I do have some Greek dressing with feta. I might use that as my dressing. I love to use salsa as a dressing, and I like the different types. I picked up this red wine vinegar dressing. I probably will marinate my vegetables in this when we grill them. So let's talk about what I'm grilling. I went to the farmer's market. Look at this. This was only $1. A big thing of broccoli. It's fantastic. We'll grill that. I bought 3 of these eggplants. They were only 3 for $2 at the farmer's market. Gotta love that. I didn't pick up the Brussels sprouts at the farmer's market, guys, because it's just the same amount of money for me to just buy it pre-cut. I know I'm guilty of that, but I'm going to char these, either roast these or grill these, and I just love Brussels sprouts. I might even sprinkle some of the walnuts in with the Brussels sprouts, and sometimes some cranberry or something. That just makes it even better. Oh, for my salad, we have a cucumber, or I'll just slice the cucumber up and it'll be my snack. Also, carrots will be my snack, so I might have that with some hummus. Those are some of my main go-tos. Sometimes I'll have it with peanut butter, and I have PB2 at my desk, so you know about that. I also have some boiled eggs. Those are a great snack for me, so in between meals, I'll snack on boiled eggs. And if I really want something sweet, I've got a banana, I've got a few bananas. Man, I got like 5 of these for $1 the other day at the farmer's market, so it was fantastic. And then Regis is coming over for dinner today, so we're gonna grill some chicken. We'll make some salad. I picked up steamed rice at Wegmans because it's so inexpensive, and I could take the rest home with them, or I could use it if I wanted something with my lunch. Dinners are usually going to be, so the grilled veggies that I'm making, those will be probably my dinner type stuff. That'll be my foundation of what I eat at night. So breakfast will be my cauliflower oatmeal. My snacks are veggies or the eggs. There'll be salad with fish for my lunch. And then my afternoon snack will probably be something with the peanut butter. Probably the carrots and peanut butter. That's perfect before I work out. Something with a little protein in it, a little carb blend. And then dinner will be some of those grilled veggies. And, you know, mixed in with some dressing I like, because I'm usually not hungry at dinner time because I eat the bulk of my meals during the day. I hope this was helpful, guys. Please feel free to share this video with others. I'll be tagging my videos Coach Rosa Live, so you can find it. Just hashtag Coach Rosa Live. Please comment and say thank you, or this was helpful, or here's what I'm going to do this week. It's always great when you can comment. It makes me know that somebody's watching and that you're watching it and you like it. If you haven't already liked my page, Mind Over Platter is my page. I'm looking forward to talking to you guys again. Take care.